Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my daily routine. This is what I do on an average day. Just getting orders out, fixing dinner, and just taking care of myself. So I've been training myself to wake up at 5 a.m. every morning just because they say the early bird gets the worm. So I'm trying to get with the program. So I've been waking up around 5. I usually just sit in my bed and meditate, get my thoughts together, plan out my day, and then when the sun arises, I get started. So I usually take my showers at night, and in the morning, I would just wash my face. So I've been absolutely loving this premium CBD facial scrub by Premium Jane. So this scrub has been life-changing. It definitely wakes me up and gets me prepared for my day. So I always use it in the morning, and it is made from organic hemp. It's a vegan product. It contains 200 mg CBD. It's also made with cocoa seed butter, and it contains less than 0.3 THC. So this scrub has been really great at unclogging my pores. It also have eucalyptus, and y'all know how much I love eucalyptus. So eucalyptus is absolutely amazing for the skin. The plant possesses many beneficial qualities for skincare. It helps improve hydration and moisture. And it does this by possessing the ability to increase the skin's ceramides content. So it is a CBD scrub, and if you never tried a CBD scrub, I definitely recommend trying the one by Premium Jane. So Premium Jane is a US-based company that offers a ton of CBD products. They have bath bombs, gummies, topicals, you name it. And all of their products are made completely organic from Kentucky-grown industrial hemp. It also has a third-party lab that ensures quality and purity of it. So CBD is naturally occurring in the industrial hemp plant, and in order to attain pure qualities, Premium Jane uses top-of-the-line C02 extraction methods. So if you never tried CBD, I definitely recommend it. It is said to help you with stress, give you a sense of calmness, helps you focus, and recovery from workout inflammation. So of course you're going to use this on a wet face, and be sure to avoid any cuts or injuries that you might have, as well as your eyes. Once the product is applied, go ahead and use it in circular motion. As you can see I'm doing in this video, I'm using circular motions to massage it around my face and get rid of any gunk and buildup that I might have blocking my pores. So I have my magnifying mirror right here, and I like to use that mirror so I can see exactly what's going on. And when I say this product literally gets rid of all of the gunk out of my skin, I'm amazed. So this product is definitely beginner friendly if you haven't never used any CBD products. And it's been helping my skin to stay clean, as well as preventing any wrinkles and helping me have a youthful appearance. So I definitely recommend trying it if you haven't already, because it's amazing. And it's super moisturizing as well. A lot of scrubs actually dry my skin out, and this one does not do that. So I've been using it every single morning. And I'll put a link to the product down below in the description, as well as a coupon code that you can use. And the code is Miriam, where you can get 25% off. So after I take that self-care, I go ahead and hop right into work. I start fulfilling the orders. So I go ahead and print out all of my labels, and this particular day I had about 70 packages to send out. So these are all the packages we have for today. Going out.
It's the second round.
And we're gonna take these to the post office, because our post office lady don't be scanning all of them when I just take them downstairs and for a pickup, schedule a pickup. So she don't be scanning all of them. So I'm just like, I'm gonna take them to the post office myself today.
Hey, love it. We got multiple post office people.
That's true. We do got multiple post office people, but this woman in particular don't like to scan them all. So I'm gonna take them. So after we dropped out the orders, I went back home and I just decided I needed to wash my hair because I wanted to wash it. So since my hair was straightened and I haven't washed it in a while, I decided it was essential that I double cleanse. So I used our Extreme Growth Cleansing Treatment, which is a new product that we just came out with. And this is an all-natural product that will cleanse away all the dead skin cells in your scalp and get rid of any buildup that could be blocking hair growth. And I used our Ultimate Scalp Stimulating Head Massager to promote blood circulation. So after that, we're back to work again. I usually spend a few hours working on whatever project I'm working on, either editing videos, working on an ebook that I'm coming out with, or doing conference calls. So I tried out a new probiotic drink and I think it's been working great because I have a lot of stomach problems. So this has been working great at helping with that.
Okay guys, so Boo Boo and T are going to be cooking us dinner tonight. We're double dating tonight. So I'm excited to have our first dinner party.
So the men decided that they would cook dinner for us, and they ended up cooking salmon, lobster tails, baked potato, and asparagus. So this is my first time actually ever having lobster tails. I just was like, ew, I don't want that. Like I would always like never want it. So I didn't know how to cook it or anything. So I was kind of paying attention to how they were cooking it just in case I do end up liking the lobster tails. And they also ended up making salmon, and I love salmon. I can literally eat salmon every single day. It's just so delicious. It's like the best fish in the sea. But yeah, they cooked salmon for us. And T put like some honey on the salmon. So it was like glazed salmon with honey on it. And I was like, wow, this tastes amazing. So they cooked that. And the asparagus tastes good as well. So the whole meal was just delicious. I'm so happy. It was just like a great ending of a day.
Remember I told you that she put some and she had some sweet potatoes with it though.
Yeah, I
That's
can't
the
do
secret
Get
sauce.
a hand.
I can't do sweet potatoes.
Go down, so take it.
Tell me don't look good. Tell me it don't.
And literally after I ate, I fell right to sleep because like y'all know, I've been up since 5 a.m. that day. But yeah, that's pretty much a day in my life. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Hit the bell so the notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.